pumping up these legs like a tire. I'm a king dog. What's up with the guys? McLaren boys back. Hypey Whitey got his McLaren back, baby.
You see what we got back?
Oh,
check
baby. It out, what big boy say? What is he saying? What's big boy saying when you take it's time to bleed or something? When you take it, time. What do you say? I forgot what he said. But yeah, man, we about to go into this gym, do some legs today. Go get a quickie, man. Then hopefully we pick up Hypey Whitey car, and we just roaming today, man. Another day of roaming. Let me wet that whistle. Taste some brain. I've been back on brain lately because I've been gaming again. I'm about to come to the gaming world and slay, man. You know what I'm saying? Go get that stack, man. HypeYourLife.com. Let's get it. Let me crease up these Jordans, man. They crease up.
Let's see.
Crease them up, man.
Yeah, they're getting creased,
we don't. We've been saying everything's spendable, recyclable. It ain't nothing.
Hey, if you can get rid of a car,
oh,
you can get rid of some Jordans.
Hell yeah, look at them. They ain't creasing up though, right? They anti-crease.
Let's see. Oh, that's the anti-crease model. You spent extra for that. I know you spent extra for that.
Oh yeah, a few hundred.
Swell them up, man.
We gotta go shop for some short outfits. So we start doing like this. Good 5 nice short outfits for the summer. Maybe 7. 7 days, 7 fits.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. God created the day. God created the earth in 7 days.
See that? You just started
7
now.
days.
We done talked to a pastor, prophet. Touch me. One finger. I must say I'm back in the groove now. It's working out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm back in the groove. 3-4 days a week, baby. Oh, that one burnt. Boring, but feeling good. Getting pumped. This is weird. We out here, you know what I mean? Pumping up these legs like an air tire. Like a tire. Oh, oh yeah, it's getting up. I'm done with legs today. Just doing that leg essential. What I learned through my recent years is that these machines are just as good as anything else, if not better. Well, better. I'm gonna say better, because the tension stays on it. You don't necessarily have to put a lot of weight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
A lot of people don't see results because they try to go too heavy. And it's an ego thing, I get it, I was there. But once you mature and last in this fitness world, you learn that the pump and moderate weight is the best. Most perfect leg press I ever been on. Everybody seem like they under 25 down there this gym. Except Miles, a few little old people. Oh, I love this. I need to buy this for the house. Let me give her a kiss. I love these girls. I love it. Oh, I say that for my OnlyFans. Look at the women.
It's a woman and a man, I think.
Oh no. Got on these pimp glasses.
Yep.
So this machine I love, guys. It's the best one I ever been on. Lubricated.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
Tension all the way through it.
Yep. Arnold 2025, here I come.
Oh yeah, we're getting you ready for that Arnold
That's
Classic.
Right.
2025.
I'm gonna be there, making no
money. What you
money.
gonna do, bodybuild or physique? What do we say?
I'm doing them both at the same time, actually.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna be the first person in history to do it.
No, there's been people doing that.
Well, I'm gonna be the third person in history to do
You
it.
can, so you could do physique, classic, and bodybuilder.
I'm doing them all.
You be the first person to do all three.
I'm gonna tell you what else I'm gonna do.
What you gonna do?
I'm gonna go to the women's show too.
Oh, you gonna put on the wig and just do? Dude, that's the era.
That's what I'm talking about, dog. Yeah, don't be jealous.
That's the new. You dehydrate. Be hit the pole, just seize up.
Oh man.
Like this is his 5th category.
Oh man.
He already did men's physique, men's classic, bodybuilding. I haven't been reading the comments, but I did read a comment when I released a video yesterday. Motherfucker, like we owed him content. He like, this is the one that stuck out the most. Where the music video? You said, don't be
Wouldn't have did that?
I wouldn't have did that. You motherfucker lagging. I'm unfollowing. I was like, what?
Bro.
Like, dude, we doing this, man, for fun and for those who love it. We don't owe nobody nothing. We ain't no employee, boy. We the employer. We the bot maker, not the bot. We release and do on our terms.
You like that smell?
Animal Kingdom, I summons you. I'm about to eat up this fish.
Who'd you just summon?
Animal Kingdom.
Oh.
Every animal in the Animal Kingdom.
Okay.
Hold on, let me do it properly.
Yeah, please.
That's not a proper summon.
Let's see a proper one.
Animal Kingdom, I summon you. In public and everything. Hey, you ain't a real entertainer if you can't act food in public. White rice with tuna and salmon.
Oh, you copying me
Oh,
today.
you did that?
No, yeah, I did the same thing.
No. I'm gonna just get eel sauce.
Copying me today.
Let me get some cucumbers. And that's it for that. Just some pineapples. And that's it. Hook me up on the pineapple. I'm gonna get one thing. Thank you.
I'll get the same thing as him.
Let me get a little eel. Good, boy. They make me think I'm eating a real eel. Alive with the electricity and everything. That's a new superhero.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? About to eat, man. About to eat healthy. We've been eating healthy. Ain't nobody on the internet eating healthier than us. I guarantee it. You know what I'm saying? We don't even put on regular deodorant no more. We put on organic. Man,
I don't even put on deodorant.
Well, what I do is I grab the eucalyptus from the wild.
Oh, yeah?
I dry it there in the McLaren.
Oh, yeah?
Then I go in the wild forest and I get eucalyptus. And then I just, every day, put a little bit under there.
Damn.
Toothpaste, I don't even use toothpaste no more, bro.
I can tell.
You know what I mean? I just use the leaves from the tree like this back here. I grab that and just do it, rub it on there.
Oh.
Like that.
Is it working for you?
Oh, breath a little humming. My girl said a little humming. You know what I mean? But that's okay. I ain't getting the chemicals. Water, I boil my water now.
Every time?
Every time, bro. And you know what I mean? I go, while I'm out there getting the eucalyptus, I fish, catch my own fish from the ocean.
Nice.
It's supposed to be the ocean with the least amount of mercury or chemicals in it. So they said it's 1 million different creatures in the ocean I go to. So if they able to live in that, it's not that bad, right? If it's tainted, like they said, the fish would die, right? You know what I mean?
Yeah, they would die. Yeah.
I'm doing everything right, man. Only thing I'm not doing right, I can't get past hypey whitey.
What's that?
I put magic shave on my head. I got some chemicals.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? My body wash, I stopped using body wash.
What do you use?
So now what I do is, while I'm out there fishing and in the forest,
Right.
they got this special rock. It's a smooth special rock. So I just rub it over me while I'm out there fishing in the ocean. I'm everything right, bro. Yeah, I don't drink bottled water no more. We can't do none of that. You know what I mean? I'm just doing everything
You're a
right.
perfect specimen.
You know what I mean? But maybe my gold teeth sink a little gold in my system, you know, whatever metal that is.
Gold.
So, you know, maybe the earrings. Oh, I ain't got what? Oh, I put in my earrings. But this seep in me when I wear clothing. Yes, I gotta just go naked. Wear nothing.
Yeah.
Naked. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
So yeah, man, my socks. That's seeping some stuff up in there. Glasses. I just gotta go naked, bro, to get real healthy. Thank you for today. Thank you for blessing us, watching over us. Keep the hands of protection around us, around our health, wealth, success, as well as our family, friends, and business partners. Everybody. Nothing we've been getting better now. It just got the fishy taste, but the sweet taste with it, with the pineapple, the ripe, cucumber. If y'all got a pokey near you, y'all gotta go. Nice post-workout meal after the leg. That's the first time I really got that hungry during the workout. Cause you know, about 2 hours our time got took up.
What was going on?
Oh, we ran into a profit, man. Profit, man. He said he don't need money.
He wishes he had a church though.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, he said he wished.
Oh yeah, that's right. I said, hey, if you profit like you say, speak to church in existence. Ooh, that pump worked today too, bro. I took a whole scoop. That's the first, man. I don't remember the last. I think when I took time to bleed the first time, I felt that.
Yeah.
When it heat up, when it get hot out here, yeah. Tell your broad, go to work, come home. Don't be out going to restaurant. I might pop up in the McLaren, drip down, muscles popping out. You hear me? Muscles popping out. Get intimate with you, see thinking about college.
Uh-oh. Looks good.
You got some swirls in it now. Didn't have.
Yeah, it didn't have those swirls, definitely.
Nothing never happened. Same flakes and everything. What's up with the guys? McLaren boys back. Hypey Whitey got his McLaren back, baby. Woo! Let's see what he talking about, y'all. Let's see what he talking about.
Stop the vehicle.
What's up,
they
man?
told me to stop the vehicle, man.
Rolly
Let's
check.
stop rolly check with this thing.
Got that thing back. Don't be
You
jealous.
see this?
Hold on, that wasn't a proper rolly check.
Oh, okay.
That wasn't
Don't,
proper.
Come on, you got to show them in the camera. Ready? Don't be jealous. You see what we got back?
Oh,
check it out, man. What, this is sick.
Well.
They thought I was down and out, right?
Oh yeah,
like,
they said you went bankrupt, so
they said I went absolutely bankrupt.
Well.
Oh, I said I went bankrupt. Well, I just got a little bit more faith than they do, man.
Exactly.
This feels good to have it back, man.
Oh yeah, it looked good. So take us to the spot where it was damaged.
Yeah, so I was, if you guys didn't know, I was driving probably too fast in the rain. Any type of driving in the rain in a supercar is too fast, right? You should be going 0 miles an hour. But I was going too fast, and my car hydroplaned, and I was like in the middle lane. I was switching this way. I was trying to go this way, and it just kept weaving. There was nothing I could do to stop it, but it hit the side median. This hit this little raised median that was like up about this far, and the back tire slammed into it, and it totally destroyed the wheel. And I also impacted with a, I don't know, it was like a Honda or something like that. And so I got a little bit of body damage, but they fixed that up. So basically this thing was cracked, the rotor was cracked, they had to get a new brake, obviously a new wheel, the wheel was completely shredded, a new tire, the emergency brake, they had to get a new emergency brake. I know underneath it, I think they had to get a new
shock or whatever.
Like suspension, or maybe not like the full suspension, but the rod or whatever. So you know, it would have been done faster, but in supercars you have to order it from England, straight from McLaren themselves, right? So yeah, that took a month to even get it. So they had to like go through insurance. That took a month to even get the money. You know, it was a $40,000 job to get the money.
Buck charged you 88 though.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I know, but Buck. I did a little trick on Buck, right? I went and took it and didn't give him his money. While I wasn't working, I said,
You gotta throw a clip in here, Buck.
okay, yeah. I'll put that in there.
Well, yeah, we need a 40 extra thousand, man. You gonna have to get through another rim. You
But
gonna
I thought
have
that
to
was
get
your
through another
job. I thought that
time.
was your job.
That's what the extra 40 for. So you don't pay me the extra 40, then it ain't gonna get done.
Okay, I see.
You understand me?
All right, yeah. Buck, he's a shyster. Let's put it like that. There's a lot of shysters around
Shysty
this
mechanic.
city. Yeah, a lot of them, man. But yeah, so we did get it back, and it's in great working condition.
Wow.
So,
Look like nothing happened right there.
yeah, nothing did happen.
Paint is immaculate.
Yeah,
Tire.
nothing happened, man.
Well,
My track mode and everything works in this thing. Like everything works, man. It works. So happy to have it back and happy to be selling it too.
well. Oh, you sold it?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna sell it, man. I don't need it no
I'm
more.
selling mine.
You're gonna
too,
sell
man.
yours as well?
Yeah, I'm
Let's
selling
do it, man. Let's get rid
package
of this
deal.
thing.
We sold all the Dodges together.
Yeah, look, just sell these together and let's break the internet. Let's do that. Yeah.
Let's sell it.
Let's sell it, dog.
Y'all right, cars and flashy stuff, not everything.
Yeah, it's not everything.
You know what I
It's
mean?
not everything.
Let's take it around this day.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I'd rather be broke and can't help nobody
Yeah.
than
Yeah. Exactly.
be rich and be able to help people.
Yeah, that's right.
You
That
know what I
makes
mean?
sense.
Yeah. I'd rather be without life insurance, ditto, medical.
Oh yeah, medical.
broke.
What do you need medical?
Oh,
for?
but no, the state to pay for it, right?
Oh, I think so.
Oh yeah, they give me stimulus checks. Yeah, see why it's cool being broke.
Yeah,
You
you
get
get free
free
stuff.
medical,
Yeah,
yeah.
but all the rich people got to pay for your stuff to get it.
Exactly,
So
yeah.
yeah, you know.
Right.
Don't take care of yourself. You know, don't take
Exactly.
responsibility for yourself. Yeah,
Exactly. They want the Democrats to pay for.
that's right.
Here it is, man. It's a beauty. You wonder why you haven't got rich and famous yet?
Yeah. Have you not made $100,000 on social media a month?
I've been on the internet for over 15 years and I know the truth.
And we'll tell you exactly what's holding you back and why your social media isn't monetizing.
Right here in this book that me and this guy personally wrote for 3 months. We put in all the secrets to success. We put in the secrets of Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and the list goes on. Get this book at hyphylife.com, and hey, I'm telling you, you go get rich and famous if you take these steps and be the best you could be. Read it word for word like your life depend on it. Ain't that right,
That's
Hyphy?
right, that's right.